Tonight on JD Cars, we have some very exciting content on Andrew's 2020 Gladiator. We're going to be installing some 22-inch Vossen rims and 37-inch Nitto ridge grapplers. Yay, boy!
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Oh, also, we have a little bit of a spacer here. Wait, why you got them on the heater, Mel?
Warm, dog. Warm when you're working.
Well, we got some toasty 1 3/4 inch billet aluminum spacers. These things look crazy. Oh my god. Also got Millen's 450 over here, looking purty. And our new lifted Gladiator with custom powder coated springs. Can't wait to see those things through the Vossens. Pulling up at the boys' shop. Millen Plumbing and Heating, baby.
Truck 6, baby.
How many trucks do you have now?
Right now we have 6, but we're getting rid of the 7th because it's a shit box. Like the things fall apart. Like if you put tools in the wrong spots, you'll lose tools because they'll fall out of the bed. Roll. You gotta learn. As an apprentice plumber.
Take it to Pound Town, baby. Oh yeah.
That's literally from right there to right there.
Yeah. Jeep Gladiator 2, water heater 0.
I've been wondering why people keep f***ing flashing me. It's because we didn't adjust them and they're blinding her.
We forgot to level Andrew's headlights after installing the lift and just realized he's essentially been on high beam mode the whole time. So we're home here at the JD Cars HQ. Dare I say it, Andrew?
No.
I'm at home. Don't really want to disturb anyone sleeping inside, so we're taking these 37-inch Nitto ridge grapplers over to Andrew's. Toss those puppies on. Oh, that's gonna look crazy. That's a lot of meat, boy.
Oh, that's a lot of people.
Yeah, adapters in there, and then torque wrench. It's currently 9:30 on the dot. Andrew's placing his bets at 10:15. Do me a favor.
I'm doing 10:15.
All right, 10:15 is Andrew's bet. I'm gonna bet 10:20, 10:25, 10:20.
A little longer. I think you're gonna be right.
I think 10:20. Do me a favor, go down below, comment how long you think it's gonna take us. I think 40 minutes is. All right, wait.
Oh,
50
yeah, we
minutes.
still gotta get back to mine.
We still gotta get there.
What's that lifted vehicle?
Yo, it's got wheels. Why are you carrying it?
Because it's so fucking loud.
2 hours later. Woo, she's warm. I think Andrew has a fetish for blue aluminum parts. We are on a downhill, but like traditionally it's supposed to block it like this, so we'll do both sides just to be safe. Sorry, Andrew's parents.
Dude,
What?
tires are still in the back.
Oh shit. If we can't just do it by hand, what are you
I'm
on?
just gonna go fucking wake him up. I don't give a shit. Shut the lights off or go over. This is not gonna be an early night.
10:15.
Now?
Or it's
Yeah,
10:17 actually.
We got no wheel on.
It's 10:17. We haven't gotten a single wheel on the Jeep.
Hey, sleeping. Oh, it's so cozy.
Harbor Freight for the win, baby. Update, this thing is looking absolutely bonkers right now. Look at the poke. Say that's a solid like 5 inches of poke at least. I mean, I don't know what 5 inches looks like. I know what 3 inches looks like, but that's just me. Oh, truck's tilted right now. That's why it looks a little bit bigger on this side here. I estimated that we had about 5 inches of poke on that side right there, but I then told them that I don't know what 5 inches looks like, so. Damn, look at all these fucking sexy components. Custom white powder coated coilover springs. There's brand new shocks, these billet aluminum spacers, some Vossen wheels to top it off. That's on the ground, ladies and gentlemen. That is on the ground right there. Pretty much my neck. Maybe my shoulder. But yeah, this is a really tall Jeep Gladiator now. This is all the way in. All right, we're not hitting, hold on, keep it all the way, yep. All right, we're not hitting the sway bar at all. We're not hitting any of the bumper. All right, all good here. We're not hitting there. And we're not hitting the lower control arm anymore. So those were the two places we were hitting. As you can see, we're no longer hitting either control arm. So yeah, beautiful.